All right, welcome back to Living in East County. We're right here at Brentwood Bowlero Bowl, and we are ready to rock and roll. You ready to bowl, son?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Welcome back to the Best of Living East County. I'm your host, Chris Ristau, and we're at a special place right now, Brentwood Bowlero Bowl, and I have the general manager here, Ray, to tell us a little bit about what's going on here at Bowlero. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, thanks for having me.
We
Happy to
appreciate
see you
it.
guys. Yeah. So over here at Bowlero Brentwood, well, you can see we've transformed from Harvest Park
100%.
to Bowlero, and this is our brand. We have over 340 centers across the country. We have multiple centers in the Bay Area, but we're the closest. We're the only one in Brentwood or in East County. So
It's gorgeous too. If you haven't been down here in the last 6 months to a year, I'll tell you, they have remodeled the whole entire bar section. The arcade section is even bigger than it was before. And as you guys can see, there's tons of TVs behind us when you're bowling, lights. It is a complete party when you're down here. And speaking of parties, you guys do a good job throwing kids parties here as well. You guys do not know, I brought my kid down here to have his birthday party, and they give you food, chicken nuggets, the whole 9 yards, right out to your lanes, ready to rock and roll. Tell us a little bit about your guys' parties you guys throw here for kids.
yeah, so compared to other centers or other bowling alleys, we have a special menu for folks separate from our snack bar. Yeah, we can get you spring rolls, chicken tenders, cheeseburger sliders, pork sliders, you name it. We can customize your party for whatever you want. Adults, kids parties, very popular, but adults parties are popular too.
Speaking of that, we've actually had our company party here as well. So absolutely, they've done tons of different things here. I know it's summertime, kids are out of school. You guys are a bowling alley. Like, is there any special promotion for kids right now here that go to school in Brentwood or anything like that?
So right now what we're offering is our summer pass, which is a pretty good deal for less than $43. 2 free games, shoe rental every day from now until September 2nd.
All right, so Ray, I know that you guys have tons of great leagues here. You have senior leagues, you have junior leagues, you have adult leagues. I know summer season's already started for leagues, but you have fall coming up here. Tell us a little bit about your leagues in the fall that they can kind of sign up for.
Yeah, so we do have youth leagues that we have Wednesdays and Saturdays, Saturday mornings, Wednesday afternoons. We have coaches that teach the kids.
Awesome.
It's pretty reasonable, is that these kids, instead of getting trophies, they can get scholarship money. And they can
awesome.
start as 6 years old. So that's really cool. So we offer youth leagues. We have the adult leagues, mostly at night. We have practice leagues. We have leagues for serious bowlers, not so serious. We have fun leagues.
Are you sure? Because I'm ready.
You know what?
I'm ready to go.
Our leagues are handicapped, so you're gonna fit right in, okay? So I mean, that's why I say,
I
if somebody
love it.
says,
love it.
I'm not good enough, I'm not good enough. You know what? You are actually good enough. You know what? Just get out of here.
Get out here and have
Make
fun.
it a date night. And we have our senior leagues, and our senior leagues, typically we have them in the morning because
Okay.
they are retired, right?
Yeah.
So we do have our senior leagues. We have leagues every day of the week.
Every day of the week, guys. Every day of the week, you can come down here and bowl. What Ray is telling me is you can come down here every day, you can bowl, you can eat, you can have fun, you can play arcades. Even if you want a cocktail, you can do that 7 days a week down here. So what are you doing? Stop waiting on the sidelines. Come in, join the league, and have some fun. Well, Ray, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for allowing us to come in here,
you.
kind of take a tour of the bowling alley. So if I wanted to come down here summertime and bowl, what's the best way of doing that?
There's a couple ways you can do that. One way is you can just walk in.
Okay.
If we don't have a lane available, we'll put you on the first available lane. Another way is to go to Bowlero.com,
Okay.
Bowlero Brentwood,
Yep.
and over there you can reserve your lane online, or you can talk to an event coordinator who will set your party up for you if
Perfect.
you want to do that. So that would be the best
Awesome.
way to go.
Awesome, Steve. That's right. You can walk in here, get it, or you can go to BrentwoodBowlero.com and do your reservations there. But look, don't wait. Come down, come bowling. As you're going to see here in a few minutes, I might know a little thing or two about bowling, and I might bring Rob around for a round two as well. So thank you again for tuning in. As always, I'm your host, Chris Ristau. Thank you again, Ray.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bowlero. We appreciate everything you guys have done. Thank you. Well, thank you for tuning in to Best of Living East County. Hopefully you loved this episode at Bowlero Brentwood Bowl here in Brentwood, California. As you can see, I'm gonna have a bunch of fun with my son and be a kid. And by the way, I'm gonna teach him how to ride a motorcycle. Talk to you soon and see you on the next episode. You ready, son? Let's go.